And now I'm going to be talking about Pinterest and mood boards. If you're brand new to Pinterest, Pinterest is a website that you can download as an app on your phone or tablet, and it has all these images that people have uploaded. And the main purpose and usage of Pinterest is to create what's called a mood board. A mood board is usually a series of images that are put together to give artists an idea of what the project that they want to work on will look like. It could be colors, it could be outfits, it could be final images, it could be a lot of different things that you put together to really help put this shoot together. So throughout me doing photography, I've created mood boards for all my concept shoots. Every time I had a concept shoot, I would create a mood board with that name on it on Pinterest. And then from Pinterest, I will search for images that match that concept. I will pin them. That's what it's called in Pinterest. You pin them. That means it saves the image and puts it on that board that you created. And then from that board, you can share with people that are part of the shoot so that they have an idea of what you're going for the look of the shoot. I do this whenever I have a sale going on for a type of shoot, and I'm telling everybody this is the type of shoot I'm shooting, it's going to cost this much. Or if a certain model wants to shoot something, we create a mood board so that we're prepared for it and we can just look at the images and try to recreate them. Anyway, if you're not using Pinterest right now as a photographer or a model, you should check it out, sign up for it, create boards, and look for images for ideas. Also, if you have your own pictures, you can upload them to Pinterest and put them in your board as well. So it has a lot of great tools in there for you to create mood boards so that you can create your photo shoots. So check it out. There's more videos about Pinterest and mood board. This course is not about me teaching you how to use Pinterest, but it's essential here because you get a Pinterest board for your photo shoot. You don't need an account to access this board, but it's good to have an account anyway. That way you can save some of those images and create your own boards. If you don't want to do that and just use the board I sent you, then from there, just look at the images that match the concept and use that for your photo shoot. But that's it when it comes to Pinterest and mood boards. Check it out, try it out, and if you have any questions, message me or leave a review and I'll try to incorporate it and add it to this course to help answer your questions, or link a resource online so that you can figure out how to use Pinterest better.